Hey there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share a dynamic video campaign through Lemlist. This is version 2024. You'll notice that we do have another tutorial, but because we have actually made some changes, you'll need to follow a few more steps, okay? So this is actually very simple if you were doing this before, so you'll notice that right away. So I have my campaign already created. If you do not know how to do this, I'll leave a link below so you can follow the previous steps and create the campaign for the first time, okay? Otherwise, we can jump right into it. So you can see right here that we have the share campaign button. So we need to type lemlist, copy the code, go into lemlist, and you'll notice that I'm already in a sequence. So once I do have the email step right here, of course, you'll make a click here. You'll have this on the right hand side, and we need to click here on the more rich three dots, and we'll have this bar right here. Okay. So what we were doing before basically was going Command V and pasting the thumbnail or the code directly here, but that actually changed. So what we're doing is clearing everything up and going here into code view. Okay, so I'll erase this, go Command V again, so I can make sure everything is right and click again here so I can see the thumbnail, which is an empty thumbnail, of course, and this is perfectly fine because we haven't added anything, well, actually anyone yet. So what we want to do is go here into preview and yep, so you would probably see this like that, collapsed. And also this might be collapsed. Anyway, so you'll have this preview without specific lead email. So this is actually missing. So what we can do to see how it looks like or how it will look like on the lead's end, we can actually grab one of the emails. So in this case, dan at sendspark.com and put it right here, dan at sendspark.com. And you'll notice now that the background comes up, exactly what I see here. Okay. So this is great. This is the way that is actually showing us how it will look like. So we can actually test another one real quick. Then, and let me erase this part, gmail.com, click away. Okay, there we go. So this is great. Again, we can see how it looked like. And let us actually do one test. So you can see how, again, it looks on the recipient directly. And I highly recommend you do this. You always add yourself to the campaign so you can send it to yourself, of course, and see that everything went fine. So I can paste it right here and send a test email with testing as a subject. Okay, so this was sent. And of course, you'll need to do, and this is very important, whenever you're actually going into the leads step, which is the next one, be sure to always use here this download CSV file button. So what you're getting from this button is what you're supposed to use here. So do not use the same CSV file you used to create the campaign. So that's another file. I know that it might be very similar, but of course we'll filtering any website or process that actually didn't go as expected. Okay, so that's very important. Okay, so it seems I did get my email right now. And yep, perfect. Okay, so it went just perfectly fine. So that's all that we need to do right now. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.